Hello, welcome to the Samsung Properties tutorial video, and today we'll be going over the main components of the Samsung Properties website. And as you can see here, this is the home page, Samsung Properties, and one of the most important things that I'm going to talk about is that I am not logged in to an administrator account, so there will be some missing features that you won't see that I'll go over in later video tutorials. But some things to be clear is that uh, you won't see the document management system, the property management, and short message service in this video. But so right now we're going to be going over the basic features of the Samsung properties. So first thing we're going to look over is the quick search option. So this is accessible to all visitors of the website, and if you can see here, you have your uh, different type of fields. So right here, you can actually enter like a full address to search for a home property. And as you go down here, you can actually look for your home property by putting in a keyword. Uh, Also, you can put different categories. So I'm going to just do an example right here so you can see. So example I got is if you put here Bethany Beach, say if I want to look for a property in Bethany Beach, uh, I'm looking for a rent. I'm looking for somewhere in Delaware, for example. Uh, it's in County Sussex, and it's Bethany Beach. And the great thing about this option is that it's really quick for you to look for like a specific home that you're looking for. So yeah, I chose 2 beds, 2 baths. Let's say just start. This is going to be the price range. So let's just choose looking for a house that from 0 to $525,000. And if you click submit, it's going to take you to all the houses that are in Delaware in Bethany Beach. And as you can see here, we got 2 results of properties, and here's a description. And if you actually click on the picture or the words there, it will take you to a home properties page where it tells you the overview of the homes, all the amenities, interior amenities, appliances, uh, the actual address, the available date in which you can start buying. And if you click on each of these tabs, you'll see even more details. So yeah, you can actually look at the number of beds here and all these other information. So request showing. So these are like if you want to let's see, request and respond to you as like if you want to like send a request to an agent that you want to look at this house. So all you have to do, like if you're looking to buy or rent a house, you enter your name, your email address, your phone, and if your preferred contact preference is a phone or email, or either your special requests, your comments, and you hit submit, and it'll send it in message to the person attached to this home. So the person right here attached to 990 Hawksbill Street is Cynthia Moses. So she's going to get a message, an email address, or a phone text message that you're interested in buying this house. And of course, you can also send this message to a friend. So same thing, you enter your name, your email, your friend's email, and you recommend this house to your friend. And one of the cool things about this uh, like the Samsung Properties website is that if you're having trouble calculating your mortgage, then there's an option right here to, like help you with that. So you can put your house price, your down payment, your annual interest terms, the years, monthly payment. So like if I decided to put like 3,000, it will like automatically calculate everything for you. That's yeah, that's just an example. So that's like one way you can search for a house. Another way you can actually search for a house is using the feature listings. So these are houses that are specially promoted from agents that they really want to sell. So say like if a agent really wants to sell a particular home and he wants it to be in the front page, he can have it be listed in the feature list so then all visitors of the websites can see the house like at the front page, and all they have to do is just click on the picture and it's gonna automatically send it to their the home properties page, and it's like that easy. So yeah, this is just another example of how you can search for a home, and this is another one uh, that's also in the front page. It's an interactive Google map where each one of these pins represents like a home that is on either that you can buy or rent. So say if like I live near Fredericksburg and I see this house right here, if you click on this, it's going to show you all the information, like a short description. But yeah, if you click on this again, it's going to show you more uh, information, the home properties page. And let's see, finally, the last way you can look for your homes is going to the properties tabs. So it's going to be up here, and it's categorized where you can search for homes that are for sale, homes that are rent, and there's another map searcher. So if you click on one of these, it's going to take you to this big list, this browser list of homes. And I'm pretty sure you've seen these in other real estate websites where it just lists you a whole bunch of homes that you can look at. So we also have a support that feature. And also, if you can also look for a specific home by typing in the keywords here. It's the same thing as a quick search option in the front of the home page. So if you decide to do any of these for example, then you can easily search for your house right here. And the same thing for rent. Like if you choose to look for a specific home property to rent, then yeah, you can see all your options here. And finally, it's the map searcher. It's another cool thing. So here's another interactive map that you can look for like homes. And as you can see here, yeah, these are homes, specific homes, like, but then as you can see here, these blue and yellow circles also represents a concentrated amount of homes in an area. So right here, there's 8 homes around this general Washington, D.C. area. So if I keep on zooming with my mouse, then as I get closer to the map, you can actually starting to see all the homes are in this general area. And of course, if you click on any of these, you can look at the home properties and see in more details how to buy the home. And yeah, that's one another cool feature. And of course, we got our about page where we can see description of who Samsung Property is, and also a listing of all the agents. So if you wish to contact any of these agents, you can look for the phone numbers here or their email address, and yeah, you can contact them from here. And another way, if you experience any problems with the website, you can actually send email to many of our admins. So what you do is just fill up all these forms, click your name, your email address, your phone, the same thing as before, your contact preference, your comments, and you hit submit. And then surely our admin will contact you back in just a couple of business days. And that's the overview of the basic features of Samsung Properties website. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, there's going to be more features if you actually log in to your account. And I'm going to explain that in the next tutorial video because right now I'm actually not logged in to my admin account. So there are going to be a couple features you're not going to see if you're a public user.